Hello and happy July, everybody. We had a fete on Saturday. It's Monday today, and I was out in the sun for too long and managed to get heat stroke or sunstroke. So I'm reporting here from my ill bed, and the sunstroke was evil. I had mental confusion, headaches, and that fluey feeling. I haven't had sunstroke since I was 18 years old. I remember I had that when I went to Newquay in Cornwall in the UK, and that was evil then, but this was even worse. Of course, I might be talking from a man flu perspective, but I'm just about getting over it now. So anyway, I sold a few concrete items at the fete, and I raised money for the Badger Trust UK. So I managed to raise about 30 quid for the Badgers. So thanks to everybody that bought and donated to the Badger Trust. So of course last month we were building a 3-piece mother mould for the Easter Island head, and we're approaching part 3 where we'll be attaching the legs, so that should be up this week. This month I hope to continue with the Celtic mirror, which I'm looking forward to creating. And with that particular project, once we've built the mould, which will be made out of silicone, I plan to make the frames with fiberglass and embed LEDs into the frame, and then we can put a nice little paint job on the frame, plus have the LEDs kind of shining through the paint job, if that makes any sense, but you'll see what I mean once I get the videos up. So here's Astro Cat. What are you up to? Eh? What are you doing? What are you up to, eh? Yeah, so the temperatures here over the weekend were very, very high. Very, very high for the UK. It seems like we're going to have a heat wave like we did last year. I got sunburn. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I think it's kind of faded a little bit now. I wore my baseball cap back to front and I got a bloody circle on my forehead. We'll also have some other videos this month. Not quite sure what they will be yet. Still need to get up the LED videos, which I promised Dave or David. So maybe we'll try and get an LED video out this month. Still in the process of finishing off fiberglass mother moulds, and as soon as I get those done, we can get on with some concrete casting. And I know I keep saying that every month, that I'm going to get on with the concrete casting. But basically, as soon as those moulds are finished, I can get the cement in and start concrete casting. Of course, we made some latex moulds last month also, and they'll be on eBay shortly. Just got to wait for them to vulcanise, and job done. So anyway, thanks for watching, and over and out for now.
If I could offer you only one tip for the future, sunscreen would be it. The long-term benefits of sunscreen have been proved by scientists, whereas the rest of my advice has no basis more reliable than my own meandering experience.